Ohio versus Gregory Moore. It's my understanding that we are here for pretrial as well as on the state's emergency motion for GPS monitoring, and there were also reply briefs that were made by both counsels.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Aliza Sherman, and I'm here today as the daughter of Aliza Sherman and on behalf of our family. Aliza was a woman whose life had immense value and who was brutally taken from us in a crime that shattered our family and deeply impacted our entire community. Our mother cannot stand here today to speak for herself, not by her own choice. So we stand here for her. We are her physical voice, we are her vessel. And while she is no longer with us in body, her spirit remains powerfully present in this courtroom and in our pursuit for justice. While this case may be new to your docket, our commitment to justice for Aliza is not. For 4,491 days since March 24, 2013, we have remained focused on two unchanging goals: to protect the public and to hold the person responsible for her murder accountable. Our family wants to believe in the fairness and integrity of the justice system. We want to believe that the lives of all people, our mothers, our families, and the communities are valued and protected by this court. That belief is what keeps us showing up. Your Honor, our family wants to believe that this case matters. We want to believe that justice is not just a concept, but a process this court is willing to uphold with care and courage. Please help ensure that our mother's life is honored with the justice she was denied in life. Thank you.
That this is the first time that this court has addressed the issues of bond or had the issues of bond before it. Counsels, is there anything else you wish to address?
And we also would encourage the court to mention, it was mentioned at arraignment, that he still cannot possess any firearms in his home and must not pick up any new charges, anything like that. And we appreciate the court's time. Thank you.
The court finds that the defendant will be placed on GPS inclusion monitoring, and that will include exclusion zones. That is for Ms. Sherman's family members, and as we've already outlined on the record, those specific zones will be at the protection for those victims given through the probation department. Additionally, Mr. Moore, you will be placed on court-supervised release. As a condition of court-supervised release, if you have a passport, you must surrender that passport to the clerk's office. Is it my understanding that Mr. Moore does not have a passport?
That's true, Your Honor, and he has not had one for quite some time.
Okay, so since he does not have a passport, sir, you'll be unable to obtain a passport during the pendency of this case. You must comply with all rules and conditions of court-supervised release during the pendency of this case. Additionally, sir, since I know you were advised of this at the arraignment, and since this court was not present at the arraignment, I'm just going to reiterate it. Because you are being placed on GPS monitoring, if you violate the rules of GPS electronic monitoring, you may be arrested for said violation of the condition of bond without a warrant. The sheriff is ordered to make such arrest at the time of the violation. Following any arrest, a hearing will be held within a reasonable time to review the conditions of bond, and the prosecutor is ordered to provide any notice of such hearing in compliance with Marcy's law. Mr. Moore, do you understand this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. You are not to commit any new crimes during the pendency of this case. Any of those issues that would arise may be considered a violation of bond. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.